HPSC probe. The probe into the blast has now revealed that a total of 26 lakh rupees was allegedly pooled through self-funding with contributions of 5 lakh rupees from Muzammil, 8 lakh rupees from Adil Ahmed Rather, 6 lakh rupees from Dr. Ahmed Rather, 2 lakh rupees from Dr. Umar, 5 lakh rupees from Shahina Shahid, after which the entire amount was reportedly handed over to Umar. Now, officials further claim that Muzammil was tasked with procuring ammonium nitrate and urea for the operation. So that is the big story that we are tracking for you. There is more information that has come to the fore, and that is that the 4 suspects who were arrested in connection with the white collar terror module had pooled in more than 26 lakh rupees to procure materials used in the blast that happened near Red Fort. So all of these 4 terror doctors had raised this amount in cash, which was then given to Dr. Umar for safekeeping and operational use. All right, so remember Dr. Umar, who hailed from Pulwama in Jammu and Kashmir and an assistant professor at the Al Falah University in Faridabad, was, remember, behind the wheels of the Hyundai i20 car that exploded in the Red Fort area. And the DNA analysis has also confirmed it was indeed Dr. Umar Nabi who carried out this attack. And of course, investigators are looking into the larger terror conspiracy. Many details have emerged, and now a new information has emerged that using this pooled money of 26 lakh rupees, the group purchased NPK fertilizer, and that's how this amount was raised. Let's get all the updates. Chandrakala, my colleague, is now joining us for more details. Chandrakala, this is a fresh revelation that has come in the Delhi blast case. This 4 terror doctors pooling in 26 lakh rupees to buy materials for bomb making. But where exactly did they also pooled in that money? That remains the bigger question.
Yes, absolutely. We know that, as the probe deepens into this very Red Fort blast, of course, now more details are emerging. Very, very concerning, very, very chilling details are now coming to the fore. Now, what we are learning that, the probe has now revealed that a total of rupees 26 lakh was allegedly pulled through self-funding. Now, the fact that the amount which belongs to each and every terror doctors who are involved in this terror module, which includes, of course, with contributions of rupees 5 lakh from Muzammil, rupees 8 lakh from Adil Ahmed Rather, rupees 6 lakh from Dr. Muzaffar, rupees 2 lakh from Umar, and rupees 5 lakh from Shahina Shahid, after which the entire amount was reportedly handed over to Umar. Now, the fact that we know that Al Falah University has been the very epicenter of this entire, that a large amount of, huge amount of cash was seized when we saw it carrying out, multiple
group, how 9 shell companies are also being Al Falah group, where of course
to the Al Falah group, where of course there was very much doubt as far as the funding of this university, the funding records, the financial records of this university is concerned. We know that the chairman is also under the custody of the ED. Now, this is a very important details, details which has emerged in this very probe. Now, officials further claim that Muzammil was tasked with procuring ammonium nitrate and urea for the operation. Now, what we are also learning that how these terror doctors, including Muzammil, Umar and Shaheen, has misused the very, their position in the university by removing chemicals and lab materials under the pretext of, teaching and preparing student. And we know that how Al Falah University has a lot of such, they have made a false accreditation to NSE. Of course, a lot of students are being fooled by this very university. Now, when the multiple searches are also underway at Al Falah University right at this moment as well. Of course, not only Al Falah University, in the entire vicinity of the Al Falah University, the shops, there are like multiple places. Of course, we know that there are various links that has come to the fore. Of course, the Imam of Al Falah University is also under the custody of ED. Now we know that more and more
stay with us because we need to give some more information that you have mentioned right now. So investigators probing the Al Falah case have now uncovered that the accused doctors Muzammil, Omar and Shaheen misused their positions in the university by removing chemicals and lab materials under the pretext of